Hey everybody, welcome back to Thingy's Tech Talk, where we talk about all things tech. I'm Jeff Bromley.
And I'm Mall Santa in training, Rob Barra. And today is our favorite one of the year.
Absolutely.
I've got my Christmas era Devils jersey on. I've got my Mall Santa in training official hat. Jeff is very blinky.
Yeah. This really doesn't fit me very well, so like I could wear it like that, and I think I'd be ridiculous. But
then you couldn't hear me.
I could do this.
I think maybe. I think you got something else.
Yeah, hold on. Let's go. Let's go. We'll go old school.
Bring it back. Yeah, I don't know what happened to the pants. They disappeared after.
Oh, the Santa pants.
The Santa pants. They've disappeared.
You've been Rob has no pants.
I'm definitely wearing pants today. It's too cold. It's like 20 degrees outside right now.
Not like Sean Connery.
The polar vortex. Yeah, no. The polar vortex is back. But anyway, this is our favorite our favorite tech talk of the year, where we get to talk about all of the fun stuff that now that we're old and have adult money, we can buy for ourselves and make our wives angry that they don't have anything they can buy us for the holidays.
No.
Right? That's what I do.
You're just impatient. You can't wait until Christmas.
Well, the sales are always before Christmas.
Valid point. Well, put it in a box and put it under the tree. But
normally the things that I buy are too big to fit under the tree.
That's fair.
I like big toys.
Yeah.
That's why I know longtime watchers of Tech Talk will know there was a long time that I've been looking for and asking for a 3D printer for Christmas. I finally broke a couple of years ago. I don't remember if I actually updated our listeners and viewers on this. But
did Santa bring it for you?
No, I bought it for myself for my birthday.
Oh, happy birthday to you!
Thank you. It was a year and a half ago, and now we're actually. We bought a Bambu Lab. I have nothing but good things to say about Bambu Lab printers. We're actually planning on upgrading our printer this year, and that is why the Bambu P2S is the Tech Talk, Thingy Tech Talk model of choice for this year. It's fun. You can have multicolored prints. You can like daisy chain the material switcher together. You can have up to, I think, like 16 color prints if you want to really go bananas.
You got to invest like $1,000 in PLA just to be able to have them as all the different colors, or
that investment is in the AMS machines in order to have the 16 colors, and then you still have to buy the filament for it. Yeah,
gotcha.
But it's fun because I was telling Jeff, we needed zip ties for something.
Yeah,
I 3D printed a zip tie. Jeff needs lights that fit his head. Yeah. I could use an app on my phone. I could get a 3D scan of his head, and then 3D print exact.
Yes.
Yeah. I mean, that's. That is something that you can do.
Well, anyway, all right. So the 3D printer,
3D printers.
Rob wants to get he wants to get the new Bambu Labs. Or he already has
P2S.
He already has the one. Now he's getting the bigger one.
Yes.
So
now I have two.
Yes. So recently, my son has a better phone than I do. And
oh man, let that happen?
I am completely jealous. He has the iPhone 17 Pro. I am still on an iPhone 14 Pro. And after seeing all of the buttons and the camera and the next Tech Talk being recorded, like we may have to do like Apple does, recorded on an iPhone 17 Pro. I think I might have to get one. Although I'm getting more storage because I want to shoot.
How could you let that happen?
Listen,
that is just a really bad precedent.
Well, his
did he pay for it?
No.
Did he do anything to get to even earn a little bit of it?
There's some extenuating circumstances we don't have to go into, but he's he got a new iPhone this weekend, and he seems to be very happy with it. But now Dad is completely jealous. So on my Christmas list is an iPhone 17 Pro. I was gonna get it yesterday, but that didn't happen. So again, you like me, we just go and buy the things that we want for ourselves. So
because I mean,
adult money
for all the parents out there, you know how this works.
Yeah, exactly.
You don't need socks. You don't need shorts. If you're a clothes person, you probably buy clothes, right?
If you have a golden or Labrador retriever, for those people out there, you understand what happens to undergarments.
Everything.
No, he's not that. It's more specific.
Kitchen towels.
Yes, stolen
shoes.
Yes, no shoes. Well, we now have all of our family is well trained to put their shoes in the closet, which my wife is very happy about. Mm-hmm. But underwear, he tends to steal quite often. My wife looked at some of my undergarments this morning and said, "You're getting new underwear for Christmas." So yeah, occasionally we do need new underwear, but I digress. So back to the
Don't
iPhone.
need password books.
Yes. Oh, good God. Please, if you're going to have a password book, put it in another book and put it somewhere where you know where it is and kind of keep it hidden, because if anybody does walk into your house and finds the book that says passwords, they basically get your entire life. So
And you've lost your entire life.
Yes, there's that too. So, actually, thankfully with passkeys and two-factor authentication, we're getting much better where you actually have to have your phone as the key.
People understand how those things work.
Yes, we might.
There's a learning curve.
In the new year, we're going to do a couple of tech teaches. One around passwords. 2, we're going to do another one around health kit and setting up emergency settings. This has been around for a while, but it's coming soon to a tech talk near you.
It's a beautiful thing.
But
fall detection for people with older parents. Fall detection with the Apple Watch is honestly a lifesaver.
But that's coming next year. So what else which one of these do you want? Which one would you want? And you've already gotten this one.
So my being being the Pokemon aficionado that I am, the new Pokemon game, Arceus Legends ZA, very good game. I enjoyed it a lot. The DLC is actually coming out in the next couple of days.
Okay.
The Switch 2 version of it is fantastic. It looks amazing on a television, and it runs really great. As well,
it's 4K.
It is 4K on the dock. Yeah, it's 4K on the dock, and it looks amazing.
And I hear Breath of the Wild is like
the new Breath of the Wild. They've upgraded both Breath of the Wild and Tears of the Kingdom for Switch 2, so it's all full frame. It's really good.
All right,
and they're more available now. So initially they had a whole rush on them.
I think Best Buy has them. So
the stores.
Switch.
Best Buy, please mail us some NIL money for dropping the name there.
Absolutely. So Switch 2, just because I haven't finished Breath of the Wild yet. I'm literally saving every moment of that game. Got to play in master mode.
It's like an 11-year-old game.
It doesn't matter. It's still absolutely.
Well, I started playing World of Warcraft again after 20. After not playing it for 16 years.
Yeah, true.
And it's hitting all the right notes still. Yeah.
And then I guess the only other thing on the portables is you got the Switch 2, or if your child is into gaming and they do play all of their video games on Steam, like every single game is
like
on
everybody
Steam.
Does, yeah.
Like I mean, I feel that's probably the reason why Microsoft is bringing Steam to the Xbox. I think I heard a rumor, but there is the Steam Deck. So basically, it is a portable computer to be able to play Steam games on the go. Pick which one.
Linux based, which is wild.
Yeah. No. It's
crazy.
We got some Steam stuff we're going to talk about. I'm sure they're going to do lots of things, announcements around CES. So stay tuned for that.
That's our second favorite one.
No, absolutely. We get to talk about
all toilets. That need toilets and like all that stuff. I still don't have one of those.
Yeah. Well,
actually, if anyone out there has been so moved by our Tech Talk content over the years and is inclined, I still really need one of those Toto washlets. So I will, just fill out something in the comments and we'll work something out.
All right. Well, we've rambled on enough about our Christmas wants for this year.
The longest Tech Talk ever.
ever. Yes. So for this episode of Tech Talk, I'm Jeff Bromley.
And I'm Rob Barra, coming to a shopping mall near you starting 2035. Anyway, so have a happy and safe end of the year. We hope to see everyone next year for hopefully a better 2020-26. 2020-2026?
Yeah, you got too many 20s.
Too many 20s.
Okay.
Be safe out there.